Hello teacher, hello students. We are students Leslie Lau and Lee Ruiz from PT 26. Today we are going to talk about an animal in danger of extinction, in this case the cough of the rock. The cough of the rock is a very peculiar bird, interesting and striking to the eye due to its black and orange colors and its large crest. The cough of the rock, or called by several names such as Andean cough of the rock, Tunky, or its scientific name Rupicola peruviana. It is a relative of the jungle fowl Cotingidae, which are approximately about 77 species located in tropical areas. Characteristics: it is not a bird of great size. This bird is not very large. It can be said that its size is approximately between 30 and 35 centimeters in length. Its plumage is black and orange. It has a characteristic plumage. The male has dazzling black feathers that turn orange. However, the female is totally different. Its plumage is brown or brownish. The beak and legs vary according to sex, with the male cough of the rock having a strong yellow or even orange beak, while the female's is usually black. The legs of males are orange or yellow, while those of female are brown. Have a similar tail, the tail of the bird. Both males and females can be black with touch of gray. The male has a striking crest. This bird has a very visible crest that the males much larger than the females. It is always quite fair and high. Almost no sounds. The cough of the rock is actually quite silent. The time that emits sounds is because the situation warrants it. They usually crowd during the rotting season and make sounds when they get too close to the territory or become finite.
How does the cut of the rock fit? The diet of the cut of the rock is quite nutritious, since their habitat is composed of numerous fruit trees, which they can eat without problems. The feeding of this bird helps to spread the seed of the fruit they consume throughout their habitat, thus generating new fruit trees for future generations. The cut of the rock not only eat fruits, but can also have an insect diet, thus applies mainly to the chicks, as it provides them with the nutrients they need. How do cut of the rock reproduce? The reproduction of this species is quite interesting. The breeding season for cut of the rock typically occurs between August and November. However, like all birds waiting to reproduce, especially males, they start with courtships. These courtships involve flight and acrobats in which they seek their mate. By this is just a prelude to the whole process of the species reproduction.
Courtships. The cough of the rock is a bird that spends its days in trees. Once the breeding season arrives, they begin to dance. jump, sing, and attract the attention of females. The more they do it, the better, as females call other rods like the consistency and exposure of this bear. This is because every time they dance, the males are exposed to predators. This dance is called a leg, which is a circle mating gene. The dominant male is the first to achieve this, and the dance involves males forming a circle around the dominant male for mating. During this courtship, the females are in a tree observing the males for their choice. This courtship can last for days.
Next, after the male has been chosen by the female and they have copulated, the female chooses a place for their nest. This occurs between the 10th of January and September. These nests are usually in crevices, cracked, fissured, hollow, and empty spaces on a wall. Apart from being a walls, these nests must be near an area with water. Their nests are filled with leaves, plants, moss, and any potted vegetal material. The female usually lays around 2 eggs.
Where does the cough of the rock live? The cough of the rock is a bird found in tropical areas such as humid forests, mountains, jungles, and cloud forests. This beautiful bird is native to Peru, which is why it has been considered a national symbol. It also inhabits Andean regions, rocky areas, Amazonian areas, such as jungles. Predators of the cough of the rock. This beautiful bird has two predators, the first and most disappointing being humanity, which often hunts it for sale or because its natural habitat is destroyed. Therefore, the cough of the rock is currently endangered. Secondly, we have its natural predator, some jungle animals that simply follow the cycle of life in the animal kingdom. These include terrestrial animals. Among them, we have the ferret, the jaguar, the puma. Also falling into this category are animals like the ocelot, the coati, and snakes. Flying animals. Among predatory birds, we have the collared forest falcon, the monera eagle, the crested eagle. Also, we find birds like the black vulture, the white vulture, and the bicolor hawk.